Okay, good evening, student. Today we are going to start the sixth unit. Rose, the accidental tourist. Actually, it was the accidental tourist. It means actually the tourist got so much of accident, so many accident while traveling in a vehicle. That time he got so much of accident. What are that? It is the main theme of this lesson. Okay, see, it was written by Bill Berison. But in this lesson, the author introduction is not given. Just but know about that Bill Berison. Student, now take your books and write down the author introduction. It also the important for you. Okay, don't miss it. Okay. Actually, the full name of the Bill Berison is William McCure Berison. McCure spelling McQuirre. William McCure Berison. It is the full name for Bill Berison. And he was born on 8 December in 1951. Student, write down because it is not mentioned in your book, so write down seriously. The full name of Bill Berison is William McCure Berison. He was born on 8 December 1951, and also he is an American and British author. It means he also worked in America and also British. That's why he called is an American and British author. He was the author of books on travels, and also he wrote some books. The author of the books on travels. Now he written that author for the books on travels. It means while they are traveling, some persons about their experience wrote some books. It's called the books on travels, and also he wrote the English language and he wrote the English language also one of the book, and also science book, and other non-fiction topics, and also he wrote the other non-fiction topics also. And he was born on United States. United States nothing America. Actually, he was born on in America. He has been a resident of British. Even though he born on the United States, he has been a resident of British for most of his adult life. He had now holds dual citizenship, and also he was actually born on America in the United States, but he has been a resident of British. Actually, his most of his life in adult life is spent his adult life in the British, and also he got both citizenship in America and also British. But normally born on America only, but he got dual citizenship in America and also British. In British, he spent his adult life, most of his adult life in British only. Then he became a very popular person. The main reason is the publication of Berison's work is the Notes from a Small Island. It is his popular work. Through this work, he become a very popular person. It gives a good name to the Bill Berison. The main thing is written for the Notes from a Small Island. It is the main thing for Bill Berison. The full name of the author is William McCure Berison, but most of the readers is those who are going to read his writing, his works, is called the readers. Most of the leaders call the author Bill Berison, but his real name, the full name is the William McCure Berison. But most of the readers called the author Bill Berison, and also he continued his writing through the name of the Bill Berison. So here the story, the accident tourist, also given the name of the Bill Berison because he gave so much of interest to writing the name of the Bill Berison. Even though he is the full name of the William McCure Berison, but readers like the Bill Berison only. They call the Bill Berison only. So that he written the name of the Bill Berison under his name of Bill Berison. Okay, student. I think you have now understood that author introduction. Again, I read the author introduction. Just write down that one second. William McCure Berison was born on 8 December, and he was 8 December in 1951. He is an American British author, and he was the author of books on travels, the English language, science, and other non-fiction topics. He was born on United States. He has been a resident of British for most of his adult life, and also he had holds dual citizenship in America and British. The popular publication of Berison is Notes from a Small Island. He wrote so many works, but through the notes form of the form a small island gives good name to him. The full name of the author is William Mercure Berison, but most of the readers call the author Bill Berison. Okay, now let's go to the lesson. Of all things, I am not very good at living in the real world is perhaps the most outstanding. So now the author told that of all things is nothing. Whatever he do for every work, he was not very good at. He was not work that work in a good manner. Living in the real world is perhaps the most outstanding, and also the real world of just going to lead a life is very the perhaps the most and maybe the most outstanding in according to the author. While she was doing the work, it was not do the work very good man in a good manner, because in the real world the leading a life is most maybe outstanding to the author. I am constantly filled with wonder at the number of things that other people do without any evident difficult that are pretty much behind me, but I am constantly supposed to continuously and also always. So he was always filled with wonder, and also the author always filled with continuously filled with wonder, filled with surprise at number of things that other people is commonly the public people do their work without any evident difficult. They won't so much of difficult in their work, but compared to the persons, the public, he is much beyond him. It means he is not do the work without evident, without difficult, but he got always do the work very hardly. But normally the people, they are doing the work without any evident difficulty. It means they won't show any hard work, they easily do the work. But the author was always do the work with hard, with difficulty. But others are not showing that much of difficult, so that he told that he is not good is at this work. And the real living the leading the life in the real world, it was very outstanding to him. Okay, now see next. I can't tell you the number of times that I have gone looking for the lavatory is in a cinema, for instance, and ended up standing in an alley on the wrong side of the self-locking door. Okay, now here he told that he can't tell you the number of times, and also already he told that the doing the work is not very good. He's not doing the very good manner, but and also in the leading the life in the world is very outstanding to him. But others are do the work very easily, but he is doing the work very difficultly. So his work is just given some examples for while doing the work what happened in his work. He can't tell you the number of times, and also he is not able to tell all the matters. Just he thinks some notes just for little bit some works only the given the example for here. And he can't tell you the number of times. He can't able to tell a number of times. Number of times is refers to number of things while doing the works. The works called the number of things times that I have gone looking for the lavatory. So now he gives someone example. While he is going to the cinema, At the time just looking for the lavatory. Lavatory is nothing, it's called the restroom. These are the important words, student. Write down, definitely they will have chance to ask the question in the question paper also itself. Okay. While he went to the cinema, that time he want to go to find out the lavatory. That time what happened in his work, just see. In a cinema, lavatory is the restroom. For instance, at that moment, and he ended up with a standing in an alley on the wrong side of a self-locking door. Alley is nothing. Alley means a narrow passage between or beyond buildings. At least is nothing. It's the narrow passage in the buildings or in the way. Okay, now see. Actually, while he went to search the lavatory, that time he saw that he was caught in the alley. Alley is nothing. Two sides of the buildings and only for a narrow way. It's called the alley. He was just caught that way because he can't able to find out the way, which one is the correct way, like that. While he went searching the lavatory, that time he find out that he was just saw that lavatory in standing in the wrong route of the way, and also he was locked in the self-locking door. Self-locking door is nothing. It was automatically locking in the door. It was actually it was made up of the glasses, and the door was locking automatically, while the it was fitted with the sensors. While some you have some of them experience, you got some experience. While you went to the so many like very malls, big malls, a mall like and cinema theaters. While entering that, automatically the door will be open. We can't able to touch any door. While you stand there, it will automatically open. Like while using, you got any experience while using the left means the left always while you enter there, it will automatically locked. And if you can enter inside of the lift. After that lift refers to elevator. I think you know that. And you while you enter into the elevator, it will automatically locked. It's called the self-locking door, like that here. And he went there in the wrong side of the way. At the time he was locked in the self-locking door. It's the one of the incident in his work. He is not able to do the work continue. It means without difficult. So always you do the work with difficulty. Given the one example. Then my particular specialty now is returning to hotel desk 2 or 3 times a day and asking what my room number is. I am in short, easily confused. And also now he is going to, the author is going to give one more example. Already given the one example. It was while he went to the cinema. That time while he want to go to the lavatory. That time he's searching the lavatory. He can't able to find out the lavatory. At that moment he find out he can't able to go the correct way. He was locking in the self-locking door, and also can't able to do the work in without difficulty. It's called one example. Then one more example he given. My particular specialty, it means compared to the other the first example, it was the worst got experience. The specialty worst thing is now is returning to the hotel days. While he was staying in a hotel, that time he returned to hotel desk 2 or 3 times a day. At that moment he want to go outside of the hotel and do some work. After returning to the work to into the hotel for a day, 2 or 3 times he is going to ask the receptionist what's my room number is, because he was easily confused. He easily forgot that what is the room number is. It's the main thing. While he stayed in the hotel, he went out of the hotel for just had do some work. At that moment for a day, it means a single day, 2 or 3 times he returned to the hotel. At that moment he asked to the receptionist about what is my room number is, because he forgot the room number also. In that case he can't able to do the work without difficult. It is the second example because he is in short, because he is shortly easily confused. It means easily confusing, forgetting his memories is called the second one. Now see the next paragraph, student. I think you understand that second example also. Okay, see the third one. I'm thinking about this. The last time we went and family on a French trip, on a big trip. So unfamily is nothing in a French language. It's called the as a family. It means the family. While he was planned to going to a big trip with his family, the author is with his family. Last time he went to a big trip. It was the Easter. It was is nothing. It was the Easter day. The Christians are celebrating the Easter. It's called the Easter. Actually, that at the moment, and the family were flying to England for a week, and also the family members are flying to England for a week. It means 1 week trip, and also this is called the big trip with the author and their whole family. What's happened? Just see the next. Okay, student. We will see the next video for the continuous lesson.